been on the channel for a minute, you already know that I love pulling from that early 2000s era. That Y2K liquid funk sound like artificial intelligence, Netsky, Calibre, and Logistics, with that warm, soulful, groovy vibe that just hits different. Today, we're building a full track from scratch in that exact style, and I'm doing it entirely with Steinberg's Absolute 7 bundle. We're talking authentic acoustic drums, analog synths, granular textures, and lush strings and pianos. Everything you need all in one place. Links are down below if you want to check it out. And quick question, what's your favorite Y2K liquid drum and bass track of all time? Drop it in the comments. All right, let's go. Starting with the drums, with Y2K style liquid funk drum and bass, you gotta have a big, fat, funky drum break. Oftentimes we sample from old funk soul drum breaks. However, this time we're gonna be using Absolute 7's Groove Agent 6, which is an amazing drum tool that allows you to create your own drum kits. There's a vast selection of amazing drum kits here. We're gonna use the vintage kit here. And from here, you can activate the various patterns in the kit. I also like this performance knob, which allows you to switch from your main groove to the fills. We can also use this parameter to increase the complexity of your pattern. It's a great way to add some variation to your drums. Once you have a pattern you like, you can pull it into MIDI, then change it up. Here's a cool tip. This pattern emulates a real drummer, so the beats are slightly off the grid to give it that human groove. You can extract this groove and it'll save it to your groove pool, and then you can apply it to any additional breaks or drums that you add later, so that everything is synchronized with the same drummer DNA. Let's customize the drum kit a little bit. Each drum kit has two different sounds, the A and B. Or how big and fat B sounds. And let's adjust the different mic levels to shape the snare. Those tight snares is great for more modern liquid. Love how fat that sounds when we open up that overhead. Also use the additional mixer settings here to adjust your drums. Let's change up this hi-hat a bit. We can change it from open to close. Very live and acoustic. Here's the final settings I've decided to go with. A little more tighter. And with some additional EQing and compression using some third-party plugins, we have a more fat-sounding drum like this. Oftentimes in old-school liquid funk, we layer the drum break with an underlying amen break that mirrors the same pattern. Here it is with Groove Agent. Sounds a lot more full. I felt I needed a sharper snare, so I went back into Groove Agent, adding another instant, and using the factory drum kit, there's another collection of individual one-shots. So this will help thicken up that snare. And here's a happy accident that happened while I was recording this video. I made a duplicate of that original drum kit, changed the snare settings. So now I have two of the same groove agents, one playing a slightly different snare. Listen how fat it sounds before and after. Here's without the duplicate. And here's with the duplicate. That sounds super chunky. Once I have the drums, I can start writing some riffs, and having a repeated riff melody often helps me add additional bass lines and chords on top. It just helps set the vibe. So I'm using Retrolog 2, which is also an Absolute 7. This synth has an authentic old school sound because it emulates the analog circuitry of vintage synths, so you get that vibe and warmth. I'm using this universe pad preset here. And here's the repeated riff I played. I was just jamming, and sometimes it's all about finding a preset that you vibe with. You just have to start playing on your MIDI controller, and this is why it's important to have a controller. Oftentimes nowadays, producers produce simply with a laptop. You're missing that tactile feel, so I encourage you guys to get a MIDI controller so you can actually jam and vibe and feel out the music. So I was just playing whatever key. I wasn't even thinking about key, just looking for a vibe, and I found this melody. It just so happened to be in E minor. So we'll be basing our track off this scale. Y2K Liquid is often characterized with that warm analog wobble bass pioneered by producers such as Artificial Intelligence, Netsky, Calibre, and Logistics. So it only makes sense to pull out 𝗙𝗔𝗩𝗘𝗘 once again for that analog sound. Let's use a sawtooth. And let's activate oscillator 2 for an additional layer. And make this a perfect fifth, which is a common combination in liquid drum and bass. Don't be confused by the word perfect fifth. What it means is shifting that oscillator 7 semitones up. Notice how harmonically in tune it is when it hits 7. And then let's employ a low pass LFO filter. I'm not joking when I say this synth has an authentic analog sound. Love the filters on this. And here's the bass line I wrote. I wrote this on top of that riff. So I emphasize how important it is to have that repeated riff so you can then vibe off it and write a bass line. And since we know it's an E minor, we can employ Ableton's scale feature to hide the notes that we don't need, and that will make it easier for you to find the bass line. Here it is with the other layers. For the sub bass, I simply duplicated 𝗙𝗔𝗩𝗘𝗘 and I'm playing only one oscillator, an octave down. I'm changing it to a triangle. Just sounds a lot more round and warmer as a sub bass tone. Then it's all about adding emotion and texture around your bass line and drums. So I'm using Pad Shop 2 from Absolute 7. This is an amazing granular synth to add complex textures on top of your music. Check out some of these presets. Really pristine sounds in this synth, perfect for pads and textures. Sometimes all you need is a droning, repeated chord on top. So I'm using the E minor triad here. Just adds an ethereal vibe on top. To thicken up that pad, we're going to layer it with Absolute 7's orchestra colors. This has a full set of orchestral sounds from brass to even choirs, strings, and even woodwinds and flutes. Very expansive and realistic sounding. And we're simply using this to thicken up that initial pad. So here's that layer. And here's with Pad Shop on top. For added emotion, we gotta sprinkle some pianos on top. So let's use Verve, also part of the bundle. And this has some great piano sounds. Some of these piano sounds are layered with additional synths and textures, really add thickness to that piano. Instant emotions with these pianos. Here's a neat trick. Once you find the chords you want to play with the piano and simply playing various notes on that E minor scale, you can use Ableton's strum function to add a strumming effect. I love how instantly you have that twinkly sprinkled piano vibe. Alright, and here are the bed of sounds. I'm going to be using this during the breakdown. And when I was listening to that breakdown, I noticed that there was just something missing in the mix. That's when I pulled out Absolute 7's Dark Planet, which is amazing for adding soundscapes and that polishing touch with those ambient textures that almost sound random, but add that extra something to your track. This is perfect for breakdowns and build-ups and adding tension and vibe to an otherwise boring mix. Check out these awesome soundscapes. Amazing for adding that subtle, almost random texture for that finishing touch. Listen to how each texture adds a little something to each section here. Just simply amazing. Finally, just to add more vibe to the mix, I found this vocal from Splice.
It can be more than enough when you feel my love.
I love the R&B vibe to it and pitching it up by 4 semitones for that nostalgic chipmunk vibe.
It can be more than enough when you feel my love.
And once you have all the parts of your composition ready, you can start arranging your track. I always stress the importance of building a strong 16-bar block or composition. It just makes arranging and deconstructing the track a lot easier. So once you have all the pieces, we can use my Deviant Architect tool. And this is a free tool that I created to help you learn and analyze arrangements. I've analyzed over 20 popular EDM and D&B tracks, which you can also employ on your tracks. You can also create completely new arrangements simply by clicking and dragging and creating new patterns just like that. You can also click the generate pattern and it'll use the database to fill it in and create completely new arrangement ideas. Once you're ready, you can share a link to share it with your collaborator. You can also export it as an empty Ableton template with location markers, which will help you build your track. So naturally, today's track is a Y2K Liquid Funk inspiration inspired by artificial intelligence's Desperado. And I have Desperado's arrangement right here, so we can look at this and use it as a guide to build our track. Notice this is just a skeleton to build your track, not to base your track completely off it. I would carve out bits and pieces so you can make it your own. To grab the Deviant Architect tool for free, check the link down below. Now, it would be too much to play an entire 6-minute track for you guys, so I'll just quickly go through the arrangement. I just have the track build up for 48 bars, adding to the layers of pads and drums. We have a 32-bar breakdown where the synths filter out and filter back in, the vocals get chopped up, and finally the drop happens at bar 80 here, and we have 5 blocks of 16s for the body of the main drop with the main bass line, the riffs, the pads, and vocals. We break down for another 32, and then another 5 blocks of 16 for the main body. So I'll just play the track from the breakdown. And oh yeah, I just also wanted to mention I added a little drum fill, also using Absolute 7's Groove Agent. Really great for these little drum fills for transitions. All right, here's the track from the breakdown.
It can be more than enough. It can be more than enough.
That's a Y2K liquid funk vibe. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Y2K liquid funk is all about that funky fat drum break, warm analog synths, lush pads and textures, and those final polishing touches. Hopefully you picked up something today you can take into your own tracks. Most of those sounds came straight out of Absolute 7. Links below if you want to explore it. I'm Stranger, producer of over 25 years with releases on Metalheads, Hospital Records, and Critical Music. If you want to support the channel directly, head to deviantaudio.com for sample packs, preset packs, and Ableton kits. All linked below. For more liquid funk videos, check the playlist up here. And if you want to learn more about arranging drum and bass, check this playlist up here. Alright guys, thanks for watching, stay creative, and peace out.